Hanan from Primeview, EVP of the Americas here, and really happy to be here in Orlando. Definitely a little more humid than Vegas, but it is what it is. Here at the Primeview booth, this is more by invitation only for a lot of our strategic partners, and we're launching now our Fusion Max. It's a different approach to LEDs. A lot of our customers have loved the LEDs, architects, designers love the LEDs, end users love the LEDs, but the problem really becomes is that from a architectural side, the product is simply too heavy. Architecturally, it's too big. And we try to simplify the process with our Fusion technology to try to make it more of a turnkey approach that just makes it that much easier to install. So with the Fusion Max, really what we did is we developed a few key SKUs to make it easier to install, faster to install, and faster to service. And the whole idea is that whether it's an executive boardroom, whether it's a conference room, whether it's a classroom environment, in an atrium of a lobby, or if you're in a sports arena, athletic centers like Northwestern or University of Illinois, or if you're a corporate enterprise like a Microsoft, like a Citigroup, this is really your ability now to standardize on a SKU with Primeview and have a 5-year on-site warranty that's with a US-based company that could really drive the technology, but more importantly, support the technology. So the Fusion LED at ADA compliant at 2.5 inches deep, I repeat, 2.5 inches deep with the mount installed on a wall. There's nothing else like it. Perfect 16:9 aspect ratio, full HD, and that's really today. And our Ultra HD options of the 165 and the 220 are around the corner. Again, turnkey, display, mount, spares, turnkey product, really unique Fusion Max. So please come visit us at the show at InfoComm, booth 2688, 2688, and feel free to reach out to us as well via our website at primeviewglobal.com. primeviewglobal.com. Thank you.